Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detail video to show you how to exit a Jeep Wrangler JL Sport if we're using a multi-lift and a Speedy-Bar system. This is a detail video, so you'll want to see this in conjunction with other videos shown in the notes field down below to get the important information about the product. So first step here is going to be to place the Speedy-Bar on the adapter, which is mounted inside. There's no holes drilled in the vehicle in order to do this. We put the multi-lift on. Next, we're going to hook the lift up to the sling. Raise. Now you're going to raise the person just enough to get them forward, then lower, just enough to nip the head out, and raise again. Once they're out, keep on raising until the feet clear the sill plate. Lower. When you get down closer to the seat, you're going to want to put a little bit of upward pressure so that you get a nice vertical spine. It's a really simple, straightforward system. Lots of things you can do with a multi-lift. Other than your Jeep, you can lift a wheelchair into the rear of many vehicles. You can use it in the home to transfer in and out of the bathtub, on and off of the toilet, in and out of bed. Just a ton of different possibilities, a very flexible product. Again, do check out the notes field down below because that's going to give you lots of information about the product and how to get a hold of us. Appreciate your taking the time to watch the video. Hope you like what you've seen. You can follow us on Twitter at AccessUN. We're on Facebook at facebook.com/AccessUN. You can also find us on Instagram at Access Unlimited one word, Pinterest Access Unlimited 2 words, and our YouTube channel has nearly 4,000 videos to date at youtube.com/AccessUN. You can contact us primarily at www.accessunlimited.com or give us a call the old-fashioned way at 1-607-669-4822. That's in country code 1 Eastern Standard Time in the United States, and country code 1-615-873-0518 up until 11 p.m. any day of the week, including weekends in the United States Eastern Standard Time. Thanks again for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed watching what we have to offer, and we hope to hear from you soon.